Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to affiliateprogram.amazon.com and make sure that you have an eligible account on it. Next, you gotta go to Amazon and simply select the product that you want. For example, I have selected this product, and if you have your Amazon Associates account linked with this, you will be able to see a side stripe option here somewhere at the top. So you gotta simply click on copy Amazon affiliate link, and next you gotta head over to Pinterest and make sure that you have a business account. So you gotta create a new pin, but first you need to make sure that you are on your profile in order to see this view. Next, you gotta click on pins over here and then click on create. Here, you gotta click on pin and simply upload the picture of the product. Once done, you gotta add the title of your product over here. Next, you gotta give your product description. Once done, after that, in the link section, you gotta simply paste your affiliate link. Then you gotta choose a board in order to organize it if you have an organized profile. Then you can also tag any related topics to it, so when people search for that topic, they will be able to see your product ad. And let's say that if your product image was generated by AI, you gotta simply toggle this button on, click on more options in order to view some more options such as allow people to comment, show similar products to other people. And let's say if someone has connectivity issues, then you can simply add an alt text for them to read what the image is about. Once done, simply click on publish and you're good to go.